Look at this spinning bicycle wheel hanging from a thin rope. Gravity clearly pulling down, but the wheel doesn't fall. This wheel should fall. Gravity says it should fall. So why doesn't it? Now look at the wheel spinning fast. Slight shake of the rope, still stable. There are no motors here, no magnets, no hidden support. Just spinning and physics. Same wheel, not spinning. Released, instantly falls. This is what your brain expects. And this is what actually happens. When something spins, it stores motion, not forward motion, but rotational motion. And this is called angular momentum. And angular momentum strongly resists change. A small weight is added to one side of the wheel. Now the wheel still refuses to fall. Now adding more weight should make it fall faster. But instead, nothing changes. This same effect keeps spinning tops upright, stabilizes bicycles while moving, and helps satellites stay oriented in space. The wheel spin slowly reduces and suddenly drops. Now watch what happens when the spin disappears. No spin, no angular momentum. Gravity wins. Science doesn't break the rules, it reveals them. Learn science by building it.